Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create Xero contact for Google Ads lead. So here I am an owner of a digital marketing agency and I am promoting my business and services with the help of Google Ads. So basically I am running an ad campaign on Google Ads to generate the leads. And I want that as soon as an interested lead is going to submit their details with the help of the lead gen form which I have attached on my campaign, automatically that lead should be added as a contact in my Xero account to manage my finances further. To automate this entire process, I will have to set up the connection between Google Ads and Xero, and that we are going to do without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step for your business, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step that how we can automatically add Google Ads lead as contacts in Xero. So here I am managing a digital marketing agency and I'm promoting my agency with the help of Google Ads. Basically, I'm running an ad campaign over here and I've also created a lead gen form. So I want that every time an interested lead is going to visit my ad campaign, they are going to submit the lead gen form with their details. That lead should be added as a contact in Xero. So creating contacts in Xero is going to help me to streamline my lead management by organizing all clients' information at one place, enabling quick invoicing and efficient follow-ups. It supports accurate financial reporting as well, saves time on future transactions by storing reusable data. So that's why I want to create systematic contacts in Xero, as I am using Xero to manage all my finances. Alright, now to automate the entire process of adding Google Ads lead as contact in Xero, I will have to build the connection between my Google Ads account and Xero account. And to build the connection between these two different applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. So Pabbly Connect will help us to build a simple connection between Google Ads and Xero to automate the entire process of adding contacts in Xero for every new Google leads. So let's get started quickly. This is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. Once we will reach here, we will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user like me, just directly click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you can click on this green button to sign up free, which is going to help us to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you'll do that, we are going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, currently as I am an existing user, so I'm going to click on sign in option. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. It has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where we can find all the workflows which we have created. And to save these workflows, we can also create separate folders like this. Now to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box is appear in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let me provide a name over here. Create Xero contact for Google Ads lead. After giving the name, now I'm going to select the folder. So here I have multiple folders for different kind of workflows. As I've told you, the automation which I'm going to set up currently is for my lead management. So here I'm going to select automations for lead management as the folder in which I want to add my workflow. Now I'm going to click on create. As we have done that, here we have received a new screen which contains two extremely important windows. We have trigger and action over here. So what are trigger and action? Trigger and action are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now, let's suppose I want that every time I'm going to receive a new lead through Google Ads, automatically a contact should be added in Xero. For that, I'm going to take Google Ads in trigger and Xero in my action step. But when we are going to build the connection between Google Ads and Xero, we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead will be received through Google Ads, then only that lead will be added as a contact in Xero, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us start creating our automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, let's go towards our trigger step and let us first of all select our trigger application as Google Ads. then we have to select our trigger event. That means on the happening of which specific event in Google Ads you want to start your workflow, you want to capture the response every time. So here I want that when a new lead will be received through Google Ads, then my workflow should start. So here we have selected new lead form entry. How we are going to receive the leads? With the help of lead gen form. Alright, so we have selected the trigger application as well as the event. Now we have to build the connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect. To build that connection, we have received a webhook URL already, and also we have received some instructions. So by following the given instructions step by step carefully, we will insert the webhook URL inside our Google Ads campaign in the specific form. And as soon as then the lead will be received through that form submission, the webhook URL is going to act as a bridge for transferring the data of that new lead towards Pabbly Connect. So let's copy the webhook URL first of all, and then I'm going to show you each and every step to build this connection. First of all, I will take you towards my Google Ads account, and here I'm running an ad campaign. And on the ad campaign, I've also attached a lead gen form. So I'm going to create the lead gen form in front of you over here. So I'm going to go towards lead forms, and the form is open. So I'm going to select some of the fields. Let's say I want first name and last name, city, phone number, email, and the company name of my lead. When an interested lead is going to visit my ad campaign for the digital marketing agency and the services which I'm providing, then they are going to submit this lead gen form with these details. As I'm going to receive these details, and I want to add that person as a contact in my Xero account. So I've selected the fields. In the similar manner, you also have to select the fields which you want in your lead gen form, and then you have to scroll down. You will see the option of lead delivery. Over here, you have to first of all paste a webhook URL which you have copied from Pabbly Connect, and then you just have to provide a name to your key. That means a name to your webhook. So for whichever reason you are setting up the connection, you can give the name according to that. I have selected new leads over here, and then your work is done. Then you will simply click on send test data to send a test response towards Pabbly Connect. When you will receive that response, it will be confirmed that the connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. Currently, because I'm not running any live campaign on my Google Ads account, here I'm just using this lead gen form, which is dummy lead gen form, and the dummy campaign to show you how to build this connection. So I cannot send the response of a real lead towards Pabbly Connect. Therefore, I will have to use the test data only to complete our automation. I'm going to click on send test data, and the response is going to be captured inside Pabbly Connect. You can see here in the test response, we have received all the dummy details, and we are going to use the same dummy details to complete our automation over here currently and to connect Google Ads with Xero. But in your case, when you will be running a live campaign, once you will set up the connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect successfully, when a real lead will also be received through Google Ads, you are going to receive the response of that as well. We have received the details over here, such as the company name. This is a dummy company name, as you can see. We have received the test email address, test phone number, test city name, first name, and a last name. So this means our connection is successful. Now our objective is to create a contact in Xero. For that, we have to build the connection between Xero and Pabbly Connect. To do that, let's go towards our action step, and let us select Xero as our action application. Then we have to select the action event, that will be to create a contact. You can see I'm already logged into my Xero account before making the connection with Xero and Pabbly Connect, and now I'm going to click on connect, which is going to make my connection easier. So you also have to keep in mind that you should log into the application which you want to connect with Pabbly Connect to do effortless connection. Here we have two options, as you can see. So if you already have an existing connection, you can select existing connection over here. I'm going to show you to build a new connection. For that, I've clicked on add new connection, and now I'm going to click on connect with Xero. Now, Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Xero account, and we'll simply click on allow access as our data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. As we have done that, you can see that our authorization has become successful and the connection between Xero and Pabbly Connect is also built. So now let's move forward. We will simply enter the details in these fields to create the contact. But because we want to automate the process, instead of entering the data manually, here we are going to use another technique that is called as mapping to enter the data. That I'm going to show you. But first of all, you have to select the organization over here. Then the next it is asking us is the contact name. What is the name of the contact? We have received all the details of the lead to whom we want to add as a contact already in our early response. Here we have the first name and we have the last name as well. So quickly I'm going to insert the first name, then I'm going to use a space, and then I'm going to insert the last name. In this way I have mapped the full name over here, and as I have mapped the full name of the contact, it has become dynamic. That means when we map a data, it becomes replaceable. So with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace. So as soon as a lead will be received through Google Ads, automatically the name over here, and not only the name but all the other details which we are going to map will get replaced with the new details. And in this way we are going to automate the entire process of creating contact for every Google lead. Okay, then here we have the next as a contact code, which is not mandatory, so I'm going to ignore this field. Account number, it is also optional. Then we have the first name. So let's map the first name which we have received already. Then we have the last name field. So let's map the last name as well. Then we have the email address. So let's map the test email address which I have received. I'm mapping all the dummy details only. But in your case, in the similar manner, you have to map the real details. We have received the city. So let's map the city. If you have received the country code, etc., you can map them as well. I'm going to directly click on save and send test request button. And here we have received the response. It is saying that this is the ID of your contact and the status of the contact is active. So I'm going to take you towards my Xero account. You will go towards contact section and we'll go towards all contacts. As we have done that, here you can see that yes, a new contact is created over here with the same name, first name, last name. We have the same email and the same city. This means that the connection between Google Ads and Xero is absolutely successful. And now you can also very easily create this amazing automation for your business, for whichever business you are using Xero to maintain your finances. You can connect that with Google Ads if you are running your ad campaign on Google Ads, and directly as soon as the lead will be received, the lead will be added as a contact in your Xero account. I hope the automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.